Guys, we're lighting!
We're lighting!
Oh. We're lighting!
We're in the hole! Julie!
Go!
No, I can't see you yet.
Right now.
No?
What if it doesn't work?
Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
That is so cool!
That was like a giant explosion. There was no popping.
Yeah.
It's still popping.
There was
You can't even see any of it. You just can't do
Look at that. It's still blowing up.
That was so awesome.
Dude, that was so hot! That was so...
Eyebrows.
That was so hot. Like, I felt the temperature, like, on my eyebrows.
It's probably from the metal.
That was so real.
That was so metal.
It was fantastic.
That was so metal.
Do we have water or anything?
No! We forgot a broom.
Oh, we have... Hey! Who needs to pee?
Sacrifice.
I do, actually.
Who needs to
Whoa,
pee?
what is
Smells
this?
horrible.
Wait, I think I gotta pee. Hold on.
Oh, Steve has to pee.
I really do, though.
Gross.
But it smells horrible when you do.
What are you doing, Warren?
I'm checking the...
Oh my god, that was so epic. That was fantastic, you guys.
My golly.
Don't touch that metal. I know.
Dude.
This is amazing.
That was like Hiroshima.
Dude, that was so much better. That was so much better than New Year's.
It burnt my face.
Dude, me too.
Yeah.
Someone was too close.
Dude, that was so cool.
Warren.
Dude, being that close was so worth it.
That was awesome.
I was
Oh.